Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So here we have another hair transformation. Looks like this time she is getting a pixie cut. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous shape and texture with this pixie style. Oh, she looks amazing. Beautifully done. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have yet another bob hair transformation. So the stylist is doing more of like a volumized angled bob for this one. Beautiful center part down the middle. I love the amount of fullness that this has. So chic and modern. So next up, we have a bit of a color refresh and cut with this layered hairstyle. I love the red hair coloring that she has going here. And the layers, of course, really just enhance the cut. Next up, we have another color transformation. Beautiful red bob style. Very nice. Now this is more of that like cherry colored red that we're seeing this season, right on trend for the fall 2023 season. Next up, we have someone who has some beautiful, thick, curly strands. Now, if you do have curly hair, I think it is important to go to a stylist every now and then to get some shape to your hair. It'll really enhance your natural texture. This is beautiful. And she was able to get the shaggy haircut style, which is one of the most popular looks we are seeing for curly hair. So next up, we have another highly requested style, and that includes the shag. This is a great way to also add some texture and layers to your hair. This is just going to enhance your hair's overall shape and give it some texture. So next up is a very fun hair idea. If you are afraid to actually color your real hair, you can do so in the form of hair extensions. Tape ends, clip ends, add in the color, and you have instant color to your hair. I think this pop of rainbow is absolutely gorgeous. Such a cool idea. Next up, we have another color transformation. Beautiful blonde makeover. She does have the brightened highlights going there, the face framing lights. Also known as the subtle money piece highlight trend. Next up, we have a bit of a long to short transformation. So she does have a few pieces of blonde peeking through here. Oh, another money piece highlight look with this bob. Oh, this is gorgeous. Very nice. So pretty. I'm loving the cut and the color combination. Very nicely done. And her little outfit is cute as well. Next up, we have someone with long, dark hair. So the stylist cuts off just a tad bit of hair. Looks like she wants to go even shorter. Even shorter still. Ooh, so she ended up getting a shoulder length tousled bob haircut. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.